We are pleased to show you the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power sunroof, traction control, brake assist. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.